Hello children, welcome back. I'm doing sets SSC important questions. 2 marks I have completed. Now I'm going to do 4 marks. So in this 4 marks, the first problem is if set is a factor set, if set A is x such that x is a factor of 12, x such that x is a factor of 12 and b is equal to x such that x is a factor of 6. b is equal to x such that x is a factor of 6. Then you have to find a union b. Then find a union b and a intersection b. So this is the problem, children. First, what is set A? X such that x is a factor of 12. So let us see what are the factors of 12. Factors of 12. We know that 1 12 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12. Anything else you are having? 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So therefore set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 6 12. These are the elements of set A. Now set B. What is set B? X is such that x is a factor of 6. So let us write factors of 6. So we can say 1 6 are 6, 2 3 are 6. That's all. You don't have anything else. Therefore, B is equal to 1 2 3 6. So you have got A and B. Now the next part is you have to find out what is A union B. A union B is equal to A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 union B. B is 1, 2, 3, 6. So union in the sense you have to write every element that are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So this is the union answer, children. Now A intersection B 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 intersection 1, 2, 3, 6. So what all are common? See, 2 is there in both, 3 is there in both, 6 is there in both, even 1 is there in both. So what all are there? That you have to write. So this is 1, 2, 3, 6 is the answer. So these are the 2 answers for this problem, children. Note down. 4 marks, first problem I have done. Now, we will see the second one. Second problem is if mu is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If mu is universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the elements present in mu. A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 8. A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 8. And B is equal to x such that x is a b is equal to 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. B is equal to 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. These are B values. Now, then represent A intersection B. Represent A intersection B in one diagram. How will you represent A intersection B in Venn diagram? So, what is given to you? Mu is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 8, and B is equal to, you have got B value is starting with 0. 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. Now you need to find out a Venn diagram. Because you have got an universal set, you have to draw a universal set means a rectangle like this. That is the mu. And in this A and B, are there any elements common in A and B? See, 3 is there, 5 is there. Nothing else are common. So, common elements are there. So, you have to draw intersecting circles. Set A, set B. After drawing, whatever is common, that you place it here. 3 and 5 common. In A, apart from the underlined one, what are the numbers that are there? You write. And in B, apart from underlined one, you have got 0, 7, 10. So this is how you need to represent A intersection B using Venn diagram, children. Okay, please copy it. Next, third sum. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Third sum. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then represent Venn diagram of A minus B. Represent Venn diagram of A minus B. So let me write set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now let me underline the common elements. 2 is common, 4 is common, nothing else. So you have to draw the Venn diagram. So since common elements are there, you have to draw intersection circles A and B. Whatever underlined part are there, write down here 2, 4. And they are asking to find out A minus B. A minus B means in A what all are there left behind when numbers 1 and 3. So the remaining ones are there in B. The remaining elements that are there in B is 6, 8, 10. So what is A minus B? This region, dotted region, is A minus B. So what is A minus B? A minus B is 1, 3. That is the answer, children. Write down this. You can even write it here, or you can even represent it a figure with dotted ones. Even like this also you can mention. Write down this. Sorry. Next, fourth one. Fourth problem, if A is equal to X such that, if A is equal to X such that X belongs to natural number and X is less than 10 and X value is less than 10, B is equal to X such that X is a prime number and X less than 10. X is a prime number and X less than 10. This is set B. Then show that A minus B is not equal to B minus A with the help of Venn diagram. With the help of Venn diagram. Let us see. What is set A? Set A is equal to X such that X belongs to N and X is less than 10. That means what are the elements, children? Natural number starts with 1 and below 10. Less than equal to is not there. Only less than 10 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I should stop at 9 because 10 is greater value. Now B is equal to X such that X belongs to, or X is a prime number. X is a prime number and X is less than 10. That means what, children? You have done set A elements. So actually these are the elements for natural numbers which are less than 10. But here what is that he is asking? In these prime numbers. So 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. The remaining ones are not prime. 7 is also there. 5, 7. 7 is a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers. Now you have to represent them in Venn diagram he is asking. So let us see the common elements, children. 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there. That means all elements of B are there in A. What do you mean by this, children? Set B is a subset of set A. This is set A and inside it you have B. Why? Because all the elements of B are there in set A. So let us write the elements in B. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. After writing 2, 3, 5, 7, the remaining ones, 1 is there, 4 and 6 and 8 and 9. So these are the elements that are there. So now A minus B. What are A minus B? Means in set A without B elements 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Then B minus A. What are the elements in B minus A? In B, A should not be there. In B, A should not be there means what all are there, children, here? B minus A, it has got 2, 3, 5, 7. So or A minus B is equal to B minus A. A minus B elements are not equal to B minus A. Okay, children. So if you want to even shade them, you can shade like this. Suppose this is the shading that I am giving to A minus B. So in the form of shading, if you want to represent, A minus B can also be represented by shadings of this. These are the shadings of A minus B. And B minus A, let me draw lines like this. These are the lines for B minus A. So both of them are having different shadings. We can say that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. This is the Venn diagram for this fourth problem, children. Please copy. So fifth one, fourth one I have completed. So now let me go to the fifth problem. Fifth problem says that x a is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x is a factor of 30. Then b is equal to x such that x is a prime factor of 30. Prime factor of 30. So first one factor, second one prime factors. Draw Venn diagram. Venn diagram for A union B. So first you need to find out the elements. Set A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x is a factor of 30. So let us first write what are factors of 30. Factors of 30, 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 tens are, 4 you don't get, 5, 6 are, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 already we have written. Therefore, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15. Okay, children, these are the factors of A. Next, what is B? B is equal to x such that x is a prime factor. Prime factor of 30. So let us take 30, find the prime factors. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Okay, 3 5s are. So what is B? B is equal to 2, 3, 5. Now you need to find A union B diagram. So let us see, is there anything common? See, 2 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common. That means what are the elements that are there in B are there in A. So when you are drawing A union B, usually when you represent A union B, you will draw them as two intersecting circles. But for this problem concerned, since all the elements of B are there in A, we have to put A inside, put B inside A. So what is the Venn diagram? Let us see. The Venn diagram is, draw set A. This is set A. Inside the set A, you have to draw set B. And all the elements of set B, 2, 3, 5. I'm writing here 2, 3, 5. Now here, except 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 10, 15. So 1, 6, 10, 15. These are the elements. So this is the representation of A union B. So what is A union B? A union B is 1. Let us let us write the numbers in an order. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15. So this is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy. Next. Sixth problem. What is the sixth problem? Answer the following questions and justify your answer. This is the question. So the first bit is given as A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number, x is less than 2015. It is a finite set or infinite set. This is the first question. Okay, next question. Second one. B is equal to x such that x plus 5 is equal to 5. It is a null set or universal set. Sorry children, let us see the first one. A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number, x is less than 2015. X is less than 2015 means, for children, the numbers will be, if you write element wise, the numbers, natural number starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 2014 you will be having the elements. So what is it? It is a finite set as the set is ending with 2015. You have got set is ending with 2014. It is a finite set. Finite set means what, children? The sets which can be written, all the elements can be written, is a finite set. So here you can write. See, I kept dots because if I keep on writing up to 2014, it takes a very long time. So on up to the end is 2014. So it is a finite set. And the second one, B is equal to x such that x plus 5 is equal to 5. See children, if it is a null set, see, x plus 5 is equal to 5 means what is equal to 5? is equal to 5 means x is equal to 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0, no? X is 0 means x value is 0. See children, there is a difference between null set. Null set means what? What is a null set means what children? Null set can also be written as empty set. Empty set means there are no elements in set, or you can even represent it as 5. But here it has got an element. 0 means, don't consider that 0 means it has no elements. 0 is also considered as an element. So what you will say, 0 is, we'll say that 0 is an element of the set. So when it is an element of the set, that means set contains an element. Then how can it be a null set? Your question is, it is a null set or universal set. Therefore, B is a universal set. You will write it as universal set, children. Please copy this. Sorry, children. Now let us see the next one. 7th problem. What is the 7th sum? If A is equal to x such that, if A is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 6. B is equal to x such that x belongs to n, 3 less than x less than 8. Then show that A minus B is not equal to B minus A with Venn diagram. So, set A is equal to x such that x belongs to n, x is less than 6. So, what are the elements, children? Natural number starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not there because x is less than only they said. Now, B is equal to x such that x belongs to n, 3 less than x less than 8. Sorry children, what is this value? This said x value is greater than 3 and x value is less than 8. Greater than 3 means since the natural numbers we should write after 3 4 5 6 7. You don't write 8. Okay, 4 5 6 7. Now you have to show Venn diagram. So let us see what are common, children. Common is 4, common is 5, nothing else. So when you are drawing Venn diagram, common elements are there. So set A and set B. What are common underlined part? I will write 4 and 5. I am writing here. In A, apart from underline, you have got 1, 2, 3. And in B, apart from underline, you have got 6, 7. So A minus B value is 1, 2, 3. And B minus A value is 6, 7. So therefore, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Next, we will see the next one, eighth sum. So, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Then show that n of A union B, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is actually a very important property, children. N of A union B, number of elements in A union B, is equal to number of elements in set A, number of elements in set B, and from that if you subtract number of elements in A intersection B, you will be getting. So what is set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So let me first underline the common ones. 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, common. So first let me write n of A. N of A means number of elements in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is n of B? Number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me write A union B. A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 8. So what is n of A union B? N of A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is n of A union B. Next, write A intersection B. A intersection B, what all I have underlined, that is 2, 4, 6. So what is n of A intersection B? Is 1, 2, 3. Is 3. So we have taken what is n of A, what is n of B, what is n of A union B, what is n of A intersection B, which you want. So let us take the formula. In the formula, LHS n of A union B. How much is n of A union B? I have written, children, 7. So what is RHS? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So what is n of A? N of A is 6 plus n of B 4 minus A intersection B 3. That means 10 minus 3, that is 7. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So what you can say? N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So this is the proof for this, children. This property actually it is not given in your textbook. A small hint is given, but totally it's about it, it is not given. But in SSC, they have asked. This is recent last year question, children, in the SSC question paper. Write down. Now, let us see the next one. Ninth question. Now the ninth question. From the Venn diagram, Find the following sets. Find the following sets. So, what is the Venn diagram, children? You have got a universal set, and in this you have got X and Y. This is set X, this is set Y. C, I, L are the elements in X. P, E, N is common elements. A, U, T are set in elements in Y. So what you need to find out? The first one is X union Y. So what is X, children? X is C, I, L. C, I, L union Y. 1 minute. C, I, L, and also you have to write X element. Otherwise, first we will write the. Let me write the problem, children. First is X union Y, and second one is X intersection Y. Third bit is X minus Y, and fourth bit is Y minus X. That they are asking. So let us write what are the elements in set X. C, I, L, P, E, N. All these are in set X. Set Y. A, U, T, P, E, N are here. Now the question is, common elements, what are the, children? P, E, N are common. So first one, X union Y. First bit. X union Y means Y means C, I, L, P, E, N, A, U, T. Repeated once, you will write only once. So this is the first bit. Now, second one, X intersection Y. X intersection Y means C, I, L, P, E, N intersection. What is the other one? A, U, T, P, E, N. So what is the common? P is common, E is common, N is common. So what is that you are writing? P, E, N is X intersection Y. Now the fourth one, X minus Y. That is C, I, L, P, E, N minus A, U, T, P, E, N. So since it is X minus Y, what all are common in this? You are removing. So when you are removing this, what is there, children, here? C, I, L is fourth one. Now fifth one, Y minus X. That means first you have to write Y elements A, U, T, P, E, N minus C, I, L, P, E, N. So common elements P, E, N. So what is X minus Y? Only in this A, U, T. A, U, T. So these are the answers for this, children. So I hope I am clear. This is first bit. This is second bit. This is third bit, children, not fourth. This is third bit, and this is fourth bit. So 4 bits they have asked. 4 bits we have answered. So with this, I have completed this 4 marks questions in sets, children. Next class we will be doing essay type questions.